हेलो एंड वेलकम गेड़ी मारो में आपका एक बारी फिर से स्वागत है. माय नेम इज सिड, विद मी इज शिवम फ्रॉम द कॉर्निया इंप्रेशन.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Are you ready for the long, long weekend?
I think everybody is ready for the long weekend. So just FYI, if you don't know, right now we are shooting just before Eid. So this is probably the last week Eid की, and we're just everybody is just gearing up. सब लोग जितने भी लोग हैं, they are waiting कि कब ये वाला शूट खत्म होए और बाहर
छुट्टी पे जाए.
बाहर.
भाई द अगले वीक का रिकॉर्डिंग कभी करें क्योंकि शायद मैं भी टाउन में नहीं होऊंगा. आई
Very
जस्ट रियलाइज इट.
अभी. ओके जी, सो आज गेड़ी मारो में व्हाट ऑल आर वी गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग अबाउट?
ओह यार थोड़ा माहौल ठंडा लग रहा है आजकल. दिस इज नॉट मच हैपनिंग.
ट्रू.
सडनली इट्स बिकम लाइक क्वाइट, मेलो, रिलैक्स. सब लगता है इफ्तार मनाने के लिए रुके हुए हैं.
इट्स द काम बिफोर द स्टॉर्म.
I agree. I
हाँ.
absolutely agree. But in UAE news locally, we had this very interesting project that was happening by Porsche. They took this villa on Jumeirah called Villa 515. काफी famous जगह है.
करेक्ट.
And they converted it into a pop-up for their for the entire suhoors and iftars.
राइट.
And the whole theme is like sunset. So पूरा orange color का उन्होंने अंदर colors बना दिए. And you can go and see the Taycan and the Macan.
Correct.
And you can even test drive it over there.
राइट.
And they have a special Porsche menu. But it looks absolutely spectacular. Beautiful place. अगर आप लोग नहीं गए हो तो you should go check it out because it looks very nice. It's got a flower shop. It's got a perfume shop inside. You can make your own perfume and there's a Porsche scent as well. And a Porsche menu. So काफी कुछ टाइम पास है करने के लिए अंदर.
सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द विला 511.
515.
515.
Yes. So it's House of Porsche.
या जस्ट गूगल के ऊपर में यू कैन जस्ट सर्च विला 515.
Oh, I just remembered. यार this is the problem with me. मेरे को सब ट्यूबलाइट की तरह याद आता है.
इसीलिए हमने आधे घंटे का पॉडकास्ट रखा. तू बोल.
Last night,
हाँ.
David Guetta
हाँ.
launched a video
हाँ.
in collaboration with Porsche. And it was shot locally over here. So Porsche globally did this massive project and it was shot in Dubai at the Mohammed bin Rashid Solar Park.
ओके.
So they took the Taycan and they took the Macan EV and उन्होंने एक massive सा video बनाया वहाँ पर with his famous song called Titanium. And they had this massive laser display and all, which was all done. There was no CGI. Yeah? So if you see the video, there's no CGI. There's no
at the solar park.
At the solar park, and there were other locations within the UAE.
मतलब it made sense to take the Macan and the Taycan वहाँ पे at the solar park,
correct.
not the 911 क्योंकि then
it's
irony
irony
हो जाता कि we are taking this and this.
But beautiful video. Watch it. It's done superbly.
Fantastic है जी. So go check that out as well. Porsche, you should be paying us. पता है इतना तुम लोग के बारे में बात करते हैं हम लोग.
हाँ वो बात तो सही है.
Okay, but you also had a launch of one of the bikes.
No, it's not launch. We were test driving it actually. It's one of BMW's top performance bike. There is one more version of this which is with the M. So there's the S1000RR and there's the M1000RR. So M is the M version of the BMW bike.
Correct.
And you also get an M kit. So you may not take the performance mods,
हाँ.
but just the looks. So S1000RR.
So basically Alto के ऊपर आप esteem कर लोगे.
हाँ वैसे. And then the actual performance one. But superb looking thing. It looks absolutely spectacular. These guys spent all day on Jebel Jais yesterday going up and down filming the motorcycle. So
I think filming आधे घंटे के अंदर में filming खत्म हो गई थी, लेकिन they were just taking shots.
तफरी कर रहे थे.
What I mean? क्यों? Michelangelo? So इसके साथ साथ अब let's talk about this whole Mercedes and Audi का जो
ओहो
एकदम टकराव जो हो रहा है.
भाई उसमें तो BMW इन्वॉल्व था ना.
क्या हुआ ये?
So apparently this was in social media in Bangladesh. Mercedes is taking the G580, which is their electric G-Wagon.
Correct.
And it's doing the tank turn, right?
The 360.
The 360 turn.
Right.
So it made 3 circles.
Correct.
1, 2, 3.
हाँ.
So Audi Bangladesh messages back that you should put a 4th one. Make the Audi logo.
And they superimposed अपना logo उसी के नीचे.
वो ग्राफिक डिजाइनर को बोला भाई एक और सर्कल बना.
Correct.
तो Mercedes replied back saying that this is the maximum interaction you're going to get on a post on your page because you put a Mercedes in it.
Ah.
Might as well put 2 G-Wagons instead of an Audi. So Audi responds by creating another photo with Audi electric vehicles and BMW electric vehicle and saying, let's go chill and have a coffee. So to that, then BMW.
I like when things like this happen between brands.
Correct.
It's the talk of the town.
It's creative banter, right?
It's fun, Ray.
fun.
It's so much fun. I remember back in the day, it was Coke and Pepsi के बीच में जो हुआ करता था,
Correct.
right?
I remember that one जिसमें वो बच्चा के कोक के कैन निकालता और खड़ा होके फिर पेप्सी का वो कैन निकालता.
And then you had the Apple and Samsung wala also.
I
Okay,
don't know that one.
when Apple came out with their latest launch और उसके बाद में Samsung was like, congratulations, welcome to the party, Apple. We already have been shooting in 8K since उन्होंने पूरा का पूरा days, date, month सब कुछ
पूरा
रखा.
टाइमलाइन दे दिया उन्होंने.
पूरा का पूरा. And we've been doing it since so long, but you are welcome to the party.
आजा तू भी बना.
It's good fun. I like it.
So I mean it is fun and it is good to see this happening.
Yeah.
पहले बहुत होता था, काफी ब्रांड्स के बीच में होता था, फोन्स में होता था, चॉकलेट्स में होता था, टेक में होता था, गाड़ियों में होता था, but
Burger King and McDonald's. So that was another one, right? Burger King and McDonald's was another one.
correct, yeah, they used to have their own fights. So I think we missed that. We should get all of that back.
हाँ.
अभी हम लोग थोड़ा पीसी हो गए हैं, politically correct.
Yeah, miss that. We miss
हाँ,
that.
तफरी.
Exactly. तफरी से याद आया.
आपने क्या तफरी की?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं है. किसी और ने तफरी करने के लिए एक Formula 1 की ग्रिड के ऊपर में निकला भाई, और वहाँ पे वो डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गया. और
अरे
उसकी टीम से 2 बंदे जो हैं वो डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गए.
So epic weekend. Lewis भाई wins the sprint for
Right.
Ferrari.
Yes.
So first win for Ferrari, first sprint win, second race of the year. He comes on top. Brilliant performance.
Everybody's happy.
Everyone is happy.
हाँ.
And then next day, tied up his
Cue.
So his car, on the underbody, there is a certain area which the millimeter of that was off by like
Let me show you the how
नाखून जितना.
छोटा was that.
हाँ, exactly.
ये आप देख रहे हो, इससे छोटा गैप था. Okay?
Yes.
जिसकी वजह से लुइस हैमिल्टन जो है वो was disqualified.
Disqualified. So Charles Leclerc got disqualified as well because he was underweight.
Correct.
There's a minimum fuel threshold that they have to use,
Of course.
and he exceeded that fuel threshold,
Correct.
making the car lighter than it should have been.
हाँ.
The lighter you go, the faster you become, right, on track.
Correct.
So they keep that minimum level to keep sure it's a fair playing field. भाई साहब ने थोड़ा ज़्यादा पी लिया, disqualify हो गया.
कम हो गया उसका.
So both Ferraris were disqualified
हाँ.
from the race.
Was
and
this probably one of the few races जहाँ पे both the Ferraris were not on the grid or they got disqualified? पनौती. ज़्यादा पैसे दे दिए शायद. I'm not saying anything.
No, but I mean, he performed well, right? This was I mean, Hamilton did great in that sense.
Agreed. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि हैमिल्टन की गलती है.
No, but
मैं ये भी नहीं बोल रहा लेक्लेयर की गलती है.
but bigger news is for actually McLaren
Yeah.
coming 1 and 2. That is big news, and Piastri coming 1 is
I'm telling you, he's the guy to watch out for this season. I am telling you. Even with the sprints, he was there, right up there.
but that means McLaren have pace this year.
Oh,
You know,
absolutely.
cars have proper pace.
And he is giving everything that he has.
Correct.
So Lando Norris, yes, he's good. But
उसको थोड़ा practice हो गया ना.
correct. Piastri is going
Brand
all
new.
out. I
So,
like it.
Looking forward to this टक्कर. ये मजा आएगा. ये मजा आएगा. टिकट ले लो भाई. जापान वाला.
Yeah. सस्ता वाला.
सस्ता वाला.
Correct.
But talking about Ferrari, Lewis भाई साहब बोलते हैं कि he wants to make a successor for the Ferrari F40.
F40.
F40. So the hypercar, which is one of the most legendary cars, that's the supercar, well not hypercar, supercar, one of the most legendary cars or collectible cars on earth. He wants to make a successor of that called the F44
That's also going with his number.
with his number.
Yeah.
And Ferrari has actually agreed to it. So they said, let's do it. So they're going to take an old LaFerrari base.
Okay.
So the LaFerrari was their first hybrid hypercar.
Correct.
They want to build on that platform. They want to take out all the electrification outside, just
Correct.
keep the naturally aspirated V12 in that, and then build a hypercar or a supercar around that.
And they're coming out with a manual on this one, is what they're saying?
Manual.
Yeah.
Manual V12 made and designed with Hamilton and Ferrari together.
The F44.
F44.
That could be something.
This will be something.
Already sold out. फिर वो आके दिखाएंगे कि ये देखो गाड़ी,
हाँ.
बट ये सोल्ड आउट है,
Sold
आप
out.
बाय
Exact-
नहीं कर
exact-
सकते. Sorry,
exact.
तुम गरीब हो.
मेरे को लगता है जो भी ये पैसा ये लोग लुइस भाई को देंगे ना, वो लोग ये गाड़ी से कमा लेंगे.
I'm sure. Does not matter अगर डिस्क्वालीफाई होता भी है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यार.
100 गाड़ी बना तो भेज दो,
टेंशन नहीं है.
कमा लो इस पे से.
But it's actually a good idea. I would say the marketing team also taking into consideration F40 and the F44 and renaming it F44 with Lewis Hamilton.
Yeah,
Very smart.
very smart.
Very smart.
It should be epically good.
Oh yeah. Okay, ji, so since we are talking about the महंगी बातचीत, the महंगी गाड़ी,
हाँ.
let's talk about the number plate.
Oh यार,
The DD5 number plate.
DD5,
DD5. How much did it go out for?
35 million dirhams.
35 million dirhams.
I'm assuming you read who bought it, right?
बट आप बताएं सर,
क्यों?
मेरे को बहुत दर्द होता है जब मेरे को पता चलता है कि बच्चे ने खरीदी है.
Well, it is the Bingati family who's bought it,
Of course.
and it is for the Father's Endowment Fund,
Correct.
which the UAE government is trying to accumulate
A billion dirhams.
a billion dirhams
Right.
for fathers,
Yes. Honoring the fathers.
honoring the fathers,
Yes.
and but putting the charity aside, 35 million dirhams, bro,
बहुत है.
बहुत है.
I swear बहुत है भाई.
So if I read correctly, there were multiple numbers in that auction. So not only DD5, there were like 7-8 other numbers that were also auctioned.
Correct.
3-digit, 2-digit. I think the total collection from that auction was close to 200 million dirhams, including the phone numbers as well. More than that, 200 million.
Like 20% of that fund is that charity fund is already यहाँ से
आ
it's
चुका
come
है.
in.
आ चुका है.
Already come.
20% is coming. Yeah.
Yeah.
And-
But it's one of those initiatives, na. That's what it is. Okay.
Correct.
People don't mind giving it.
Correct. But Bingati also has a big affiliation to cars as well as a developer, because they're building the Mercedes Tower. They're also building the Bugatti Tower.
Correct.
So between both of this, they are building 2 car branded or car themed towers in the UAE.
True.
So I'm looking forward to seeing how that Bugatti Tower and the Mercedes Tower turns out.
It should be interesting. दुबई है,
हाँ,
ब्लिंगी तो होगा
100%.
और लंबा भी होगा.
वो तो होना ही है.
तो
वो तो होना ही है.
it has to be like out of this world types.
I remember I was at the launch of the Bugatti Bingati Tower,
Huh.
and it was very funny because Matty Rimac, who is CEO of Bugatti, is a proper car guy,
Right.
right? And he's also invented the Rimac Navara.
Correct.
That's his creation.
Right.
तो हम लोग खड़े थे उधर, and we were all discussing, cars, and the Rimac Navara had just broken multiple records at that point of time. So I was the one who went and congratulated him, and he was very happy.
Correct.
Somebody is recognizing my actual success. ये मैं एक बिल्डिंग वाले लॉन्च पे क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं.
मेरे को बाहर जाके गाड़ी चलानी है ब्रो. मेरे को ये बताओ कि कहाँ पे जा सकता हूँ मैं. मेरी ये बिल्डिंग के अंदर कहाँ पे ट्रैक बनेगा, मेरे को वो मालूम करना है.
तो एनीवेज भाई साहब खड़ा था, तो फनी स्टोरी वाज वो एप्पल वॉच पहन के खड़ा था,
हाँ.
एंड बुगाटी हैज अ टाई अप with Jacob and Company as a watchmaker.
Right.
And they have the Bugatti watch.
Correct.
जो उसके पिस्टन हिलते हैं उसके अंदर. If you have
Correct,
seen it,
correct,
it looks like the engine
Right.
of the Bugatti.
Correct.
तो प्रेस फोटोज के लिए खड़े थे वो लोग सब लोग,
हाँ.
and this guy standing taking a picture, and then वो Jacob Arbo, who's the founder
Main guy
of
for Jacob and Co.
Jacob and Co, देखता है नीचे इसने एप्पल वॉच पहनी है. So literally उधर 500 लोग खड़े, उसको साइड पे लेके गया, एप्पल वॉच निकाला और उसको बुगाटी की घड़ी दी और बोला पहन के अभी तो खड़ा रहे.
फोटो के लिए ये आनी चाहिए, उसके बाद में तुम आगे निकाल के दे दियो.
वो बेचारा वो निकाल के दे दिया उसने, उसको पसंद ही नहीं थी, बोला मेरे को पहनना ही नहीं.
Yeah. It's just crazy the way everything is going here. It is phenomenal.
Yeah.
Okay, but phenomenal. Let's now go from petrol engines to electric.
ये आपने अच्छी रील बनाई थी.
Sir, just news आया, मेरे को लगा कि everybody has to know about this.
Correct.
It just makes sense.
But it's crazy. Explain
It
that
is.
technology to me. I want to know what is this all about?
So what exactly BYD now is doing is कि जैसे टेस्ला के सुपरचार्जर्स वैसे ही they are building their own superchargers, but these are going to be even more supercharged. और so to say कि मतलब जो आपका 500 किलोवाट टेस्ला के सुपरचार्जर्स में है,
Correct.
जो एक टाइम पे आपको मिलता है, this one will be giving out 1000 किलोवाट of supercharge. एंड आप जितना टाइम पेट्रोल डलवाने के अंदर में लगाते हो एट योर गैस पंप्स, उतना ही टाइम के अंदर 5 मिनट्स इज व्हाट दे आर क्लेमिंग, उतने टाइम के अंदर यू विल बी एबल टू चार्ज योर बैटरी फुली ऑफ योर इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स.
How many are they building
They are building a full infrastructure, bro.
in China?
In China. They
What
are
about other
starting off
parts?
from China.
Other
They're not
parts?
doing anything
Okay.
outside. Right now, they're only focusing, like how Tesla was focusing in US.
Correct.
They built the infrastructure there first.
Correct.
And then they are going to go out, is what they're saying. Yeah.
Now, can other brands or other manufacturers access that supercharging network? Like if you own any other brand?
I have a feeling they will keep it open source,
Okay.
like the Tesla superchargers.
नहीं, Tesla
But
is closed.
उसके साथ-साथ, it's open from Tesla's side. The other guys want to use it or not is completely up to the Volvo guys or the BYD guys or any other. But Tesla की तरफ से, it's all open source.
नहीं, initially, if I remember correctly, हाँ,
So,
so
उस हिसाब से, I mean, let's see how it goes. But the infrastructure, once it's ready in China, is when they will start बाकी सब जगह
so
पे.
open source supercharging network, any car can go and charge.
I'm guessing that is what they want to do because they want as many people as possible. This is one of the main reasons, right? कि हम लोग we're a little skeptical कि ये गाड़ी ले कि नहीं ले, क्योंकि कितना टाइम लगेगा, I have range anxiety, कहाँ तक जाएगी और बीच में कहीं पे मैं कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं, और उसके लिए भी मेरे पास में जगह है कि नहीं पहुँचने के लिए. So all of those things.
So what I can imagine is it is not about the charging issue. It's about a particular brand other than BYD being the car should be able to accept the charge from this
Yeah,
charger
absolutely.
to the actual 1000 kilowatt hour of electricity being available at any given point of time. I mean, that is a lot of electricity.
Of course.
And that available throughout a multiple network is where the key issue will lie. क्योंकि already existing जो slow chargers है, उसमें problem आती है.
I'm guessing they will have to come up with something.
Yeah.
And you're right.
So-
there has to be a continuous flow of 1000 kilowatt.
Correct.
You can't go down
Correct.
on that. But the other thing which I had a chat and a lot of people were asking was कि इससे बैटरी के अंदर प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी क्या, कि इतनी जल्दी इतनी जो आप बैटरी चार्ज कर रहे हो and you're doing it at a full charge like in our mobile phones.
Yeah. But you're not supposed to
Increasingly.
charge your car, supercharge your car every time. It's
But
a rare of occasion.
It's a rare of occasion.
Yes.
But if you have that happening over a period of time, like हम लोग बाहर निकलते हैं, पेट्रोल अच्छा है इसके अंदर आधा लीटर है और आधी टैंकी है, we go somewhere and it just drops down,
Yeah.
तो अब भरवा लेते हैं.
Yeah.
You know, most of the times nobody has a petrol pump at home.
Correct.
So उस केस के अंदर will that be one of the reasons, or is that something to take care of? Is one of the things that everybody would be
See,
thinking.
battery life degradation due to fast charging is a known fact.
Yeah.
If you keep doing that, your battery life cycle will reduce.
Correct.
That is 100%.
Correct.
There is no other way to stop it. The only way to avoid that is slow charging.
Or like how you have in the mobiles, no, कि आप 80% तक ही सिर्फ बैटरी चार्ज करो.
हाँ,
You
पर-
don't do a full
और अगर ये
100%.
5 मिनट में होने वाला है तो क्या करना है? सुपर चार्ज 5 मिनट में हो जाएगा 100%.
But अब फिर you can make sure कि you stop at 80%. only.
3 मिनट तक करो बस.
3 मिनट तक करो या 2 मिनट तक करो या जो भी कुछ है.
हाँ, you don't do 100%.
You don't do 100%
Yeah,
then.
because till 80% you charge the fastest, the last remaining 20% is actually slow charging that what you need to do to maintain the longevity of the battery.
Exactly. So all of those things, I think, once the battery is there and once the superchargers are there, could be.
So in the EV world, now there's a new terminology. There is no more range anxiety.
हाँ.
There's charging anxiety. क्योंकि range anxiety तो अभी taken care हो गया. Like cars are able to take care of 700. Range anxiety taken care of हो गया. Because cars are now able to do 500, 600, 700 kilometers of range, which is fine. That means you can do couple of long distance journeys and come back.
Correct.
Round trips, no problem at all.
Correct.
What people are now facing is charging anxiety. कि वहाँ पर पहुँचेंगे और
और
चार्जर
फिर
चला नहीं,
charge-
या कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया, या नहीं मिला, या कुछ हुआ.
यहाँ चार्जेस कम है ही नहीं. वहाँ पे अगर पहुंचो तो ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे लाइन लगी हुई है.
हमारे साथ हुआ था लास्ट वीक. लिटरली लास्ट वीक हुआ था, हम लोग कम से कम 5-6 चार्जर घूमे थे टू चार्ज द कार.
That is a problem. That is a
Charging
genuine
anxiety.
problem. So infrastructure wise, you need to have more chargers like you have petrol pumps. And yeah.
So it's happening.
जैसे ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स है ना यहाँ पे,
हाँ.
यहाँ जैसे बाल काटने की दुकानें हैं, बार्बर शॉप्स, वैसे ही अपने यहाँ पे चार्जिंग स्टेशंस होने चाहिए.
तेरा में ना 5 dirham वाले हजाम. So there was a very interesting article I read in Europe कि वहाँ पर is become like people are using solar to charge cars.
Right.
And they are also selling charging to normal people on the street. So there's an app where you can list your charger. So if I have a home, my home is getting solar powered, I have a charger outside. That means anybody can come, book the charging space outside my house and charge.
It's happening in Delhi also.
हाँ, पर वहाँ पर अभी इतने लोग हो गए करने के लिए कि रिवर्स हो रहा है. That means people are giving for free now because there is so much competition.
कोविड के टाइम में आपको याद है पेट्रोल कैसे कंपनी जो थी टोइंग ऑयल टैंकर्स चल नहीं रहे थे तो पेट्रोल सस्ता हो गया था. पीपल आर एक्चुअली गिविंग पैसे.
करेक्ट. तो इससे people are letting people charge the car for free because the electricity anyways is getting made and going to go waste.
Yeah. It is crazy. मेरे घर के अंदर दिल्ली में मेरे घर के बाजू वाला जो घर है, they are doing the exact same thing. So they have those chargers, but they are slow chargers obviously. 4-5 चार्जर्स उन्होंने घर के बाहर ही लगाए हुए हैं. They are doing it from solar से. They are getting the energy and everything. और they are charging a little bit. I think 3 रुपए या 2 रुपए per minute or something like that. And because it is slow charge, so they get about 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 100 rupees or something like that.
तो ये वो ना मोटरसाइकिल वाले होते 50 रुपए के तेल डालो.
Exactly.
यहाँ से वहाँ तक जाने के 50 रुपए का डालियो.
वही है. सिर्फ मेरे को सामान जोड़ के वापस आना है.
वैसा ही है. पॉकेट मनी खत्म हो गई, पापा ने दी नहीं. हमारे पास स्टूडियो है जहाँ पर हम लोग गाड़ी रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. जो हमारे रिव्यूज की गाड़ियाँ आती है. We have a studio space where we record our cars in nice white background and all of that stuff.
Yeah.
But that access to that studio space is through some very interesting area where you can see some interesting cars.
Right.
Very interesting cars.
Right.
तो कुछ दिनों पहले हमने एक गाड़ी देखी थी जिसका नाम है नारान.
NARAN. NARAN.
हाँ.
तो इधर से भी NARAN, उधर से भी NARAN.
हाँ, एक्चुअली क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
पैलेंड्रोम. यहाँ से भी और यहाँ से भी, चाहे जैसा मर्जी, उल्टा पुल्टा.
तो भाई साहब ने जिसने भी गाड़ी बनाई है,
हाँ.
I don't know his name actually. Somebody sent me that video of his today on Instagram.
I think Amir Naran is his name. What you're saying.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, this guy.
Yeah.
उसने अपने गाड़ी के बारे में बात करा. I coincidentally ended up seeing the car while we were filming.
Right.
And then he had a announcement event few weeks ago.
Correct.
At this cafe in Margam, where he showed the car to people and all of that stuff.
Right.
कुछ 1000 horsepower की गाड़ी है.
Yes.
It looks crazy, out of this world.
Looks interesting.
Looks really,
yeah.
out of this world. Like very aggressive looking thing.
हाँ.
And उसकी वीडियो में कह रहा है कि it's his dream to build his own hypercar brand.
Correct.
And I was going through his Instagram profile. Drives a Koenigsegg, has some jet company, so high flyer.
मतलब बना सकता.
हाँ, बना सकता है.
ऐसी बात नहीं है.
तो मेरे को ये देखना है कि कितनी गाड़ियाँ एक्चुअली बनती है and how many does he actually launch.
मेरे को ये देखना है कि कितनी बेचता है भाई.
हाँ, मतलब बना के कितनी बेचेगा ना वही.
Correct.
पहले 20 गाड़ी, 50 गाड़ी, 30 गाड़ी, 10 गाड़ी, whatever XYZ.
Right.
Car has gold on it, like gold paint and gold lining and all of that. Like very,
right place to launch.
Exactly, very Dubai.
Yeah.
But coming to that point, कि वो वीडियो में कह रहा है कि it was always my dream to design my own hypercar.
हाँ.
And Louis Bhai also designing his own new car with Ferrari.
Yes. F44 and all.
If you had to make a car, what would that be? How would you design your car?
Can I be honest?
Yes.
I like my cars. Okay, there's that Jeep के पीछे काफी सारे time पे you have these lines written कि you might go fast, I can go everywhere.
हाँ, yes.
Right?
Correct.
That's a standard Jeep के पीछे. I have a Jeep also. My only thing is कि I want कि my car should go fast and it can go in the desert also.
गाड़ी बनी हुई है already आपके लिए.
Exactly.
Lamborghini Urus.
मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
ये जी वैगन वो फास्ट भी जाती है वैसे।
The G-Wagon also is there, plus वो Porsche का जो Dakar वाली जो है.
ओ ब्यूटीफुल।
So the 911, right?
911 डाकार।
That one. So
और
I would rather, मेरे को इतना ज्यादा नहीं है, मैं लो मेंटेनेंस के अंदर, मैं देखो एक बारी फिर से Porsche, पैसा देना चाहिए तुम लोग को. But that is one car that I think it fulfills all that I wish for. It can go off road, it can go on road, it can go fast also, you can enjoy the drive also. अपने लिए भी है और फैमिली को भी नहीं लेके जाना है. It is only for you and just शीशे नीचे करके you can just enjoy the drive.
ऑफ रोड जा रहे मिट्टी पूरी मुंह में आएगी।
अरे नहीं, जब ऑन रोड होंगे तब तो शीशे डाउन.
पर वो ऑफ रोड के बारे में हमने वो भी चलाई थी लंबोर्गिनी की स्टेराटो, और उन्होंने कहा था डोंट टेक इट ऑफ रोड, और हम
All the more reason. I actually was looking at one of those guys, some random reel जो दिखी
हाँ.
मेरे को, जहाँ पे this guy has an Urus and उसने सारे उसके बम्पर वम्पर सब कुछ निकाल के फेंक दिए.
हाँ.
He's put a proper cladding आसपास जितनी
हाँ.
होती है. He's put a metal plate, the metal bumper आगे की तरफ,
व्हाट
पीछे की तरफ.
आइडिया सर जी।
And he's taken off everything from that.
सो यू नो व्हाट टू डू।
Hmm.
ये सब रेंट कार वाले उरुस होते हैं ना जो एकदम सस्ते हो जाते हैं एकदम चला चला के,
वही
उसको लेके ऑफ रोड बनाते हैं पूरा।
और आई वुड से कि टेक एन ओल्ड क्लासिक जो डब्बा होता है, बॉडी होती है,
हाँ.
चैसी होती है, एंड उसके अंदर पुट इन दी इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स,
ओके
यू नो, एंड
Correct.
एंड मेक इट लाइक आज की गाड़ी, बट द शेप एंड एवरीथिंग इज एकदम पुराना.
BYD का चार्जर लगवा देना रेगिस्तान के बीच में।
वो जरूरी होगा, यहाँ पे जनरेटर साथ में चलेगा.
फायदा क्या फिर, तेल वाली गाड़ी बना दो।
What about you?
सो आई मीन आई लाइक माई डिजाइन टू बी टाइमलेस,
हाँ, ओए होए.
like elegant,
Oh my
beautiful.
God. Okay.
You like the Ferrari 250
हाँ,
GT Lusso?
we talked about last week.
Correct.
Yes.
For me, the design has to be elegant. It has to age very gracefully, very well. And for me, when I design a car, that
Like
is what.
रेखा.
भाई उनके बाल सफेद नहीं होते।
इसके भी बाल सफेद नहीं है. I'm not saying.
No, not like Rekha, unless you're Amit ji. So, but
हाँ.
elegant and timeless,
हाँ.
and it has to maintain that beauty throughout.
Like
For-
रेखा. अच्छा.
Beauty is subjective.
Like.
ये पता है इसकी देखिए दाढ़ी है ना थोड़ी सफेद सफेद हो रही है, इसको भी डाई कराना
like
पड़ेगा।
रेखा.
हाँ, हाँ।
जैसे उनकी दाढ़ी.
तो ये अमित जी की दाढ़ी कैसे होती है, थोड़ी सफेद थोड़ी
Yeah,
काली,
yeah.
वैसा ही सेम सेम
कौन
हो रहा है।
बनेगा? हाँ.
गरीबपति।
I know. अच्छा.
But
so,
like the Ferrari 250
हाँ.
Lusso.
Okay.
So something on those lines.
And the engine,
Either V12 or V8, naturally aspirated,
but दो सीट के चार.
2 seats.
2 seats.
2 seats. 100%.
100% 2 seats.
100% 2 seats. Manual auto, I don't care about,
हाँ. Okay.
but it has to just look spectacular. रेखा जी आपका नंबर मिलेगा, जरा इनको देना है।
Porsche. आयो. Okay, but that's just about it आपके लिए this week on Gedi Maro. If you have any other thoughts, any other questions, any other suggestions, do let us know in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. Eid Mubarak to all of you, and we will see you soon.
City 1016.